For this soup, you'll need butternut squash, about 2 cups when chopped, some carrots, red onions, a mix of red, green, and yellow bell peppers. Roughly chop all of them. You'll also need 3 cloves of garlic. Once you're done, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Transfer the vegetables to a baking tray and then spice them. No need to mince or grate the garlic cloves, and make sure you evenly spread the vegetables. They should be in contact with the parchment or the baking tray. Add paprika, black pepper, salt to taste, and drizzle some oil over the vegetables. Then roast them for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once they're roasted, let them cool for a few minutes and blend them. You will add water before blending, whether you're using a hand blender or the other blender. Then heat the soup over low heat. Add a dash of coconut cream or milk. If you want a lighter consistency, you can add more water at this point. Let it simmer for a few minutes, and that's another addition to your food diversity household plan. Thank you for watching. Keep it here for more food and agricultural content, and I will see you in the next one. Kwaheri.